Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve problem of Alight motion app you click on settings. In this page you click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you will search about the application of Alight motion as you see and you will enter. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then this page we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.